Take your caps from bland to brilliant with Ricoma's HP0408FC Cap Heat Press. The first thing you'll notice about the Cap Heat Press is its durable build. Made out of steel and aluminum, it is manufactured to withstand frequent use, making it a reliable investment for anyone interested in starting a printing business or expanding their current product line. Whether you're a beginner or expert, this Cap Heat Press is great for anyone who wants to create a variety of custom caps with unique designs, illustrations, and even high-quality images printed on them. The Ricoma Cap Heat Press can print on different types of caps, such as trucker, fitted, snapback, strapback, flex fit, 5-panel, and visor, giving your clients more than just one option to choose from. You can even transfer designs onto the brim of a cap. The possibilities are endless with this Cap Heat Press. Additionally, this versatile Cap Heat Press can complete a number of heat transfer applications, including digitally printed heat transfers, screen-printed transfers, rhinestones, heat transfer vinyl, embroidery patches, direct-to-garment transfers, sublimation, and much more. With all these options available, there's no doubt that clients are going to want to keep coming back to place more orders for customized caps. How does the Cap Heat Press work? The Cap Heat Press is incredibly easy to use. To get started on a job, all you have to do is set the timer and the correct temperature on the machine, place the cap onto the press, close the press, and let the machine work its magic. The heat press can quickly reach up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, which will not only help to increase your productivity, but also reduce your turnaround times for any custom cap orders. One of the most important features of the Cap Heat Press is the 5-inch digital touchscreen, as it gives you complete control over the machine's settings. You can set the timer and temperature, as well as adjust the settings to your liking by simply tapping on the screen. While a job is printing, the screen will display how much time is left, making it easy to track its progress. And if you have frequent orders of a particular type, simply preset the heating time and temperature for these orders in the machine's memory, so that you can load these settings at a moment's notice and start a new job with the push of a button. One great thing about the Cap Heat Press that business owners love is its statistics feature. This simple yet advanced feature tells you how many custom caps you can create in a given amount of time. That way, you can accurately price small and large orders while maintaining complete control over your production output and efficiency. Its powerful clamp mechanism ensures complete end-to-end pressure and heating with minimal effort. And once the timer runs out, it automatically releases the heating plate. This guarantees that the cap isn't pressed longer than needed, reducing the chances of damaging the cap and providing you the freedom to multitask with confidence. While other cap heat presses require a lot of cleaning and maintenance, the Ricoma Cap Heat Press doesn't leave any mess behind. Its platen is specially coated to ensure easy cleanup in the unlikely event that transfer materials stick to the heating element. At only 35 pounds, this Cap Heat Press is light and easy to carry. So just place it in the backseat of your car and take it with you to craft shows and other custom apparel events. Gone are the days of bland, blank caps. Impress clients with your wide range of decorated caps thanks to Ricoma's versatile Cap Heat Press. To learn how you can get your hands on the Ricoma Cap Heat Press, visit Ricoma.com to contact us today. Don't put a cap on what your business can do, and add the Ricoma Cap Heat Press to your custom apparel arsenal.